Welcome to this demonstration on rear sprocket. Removal. Ensure the vehicle is on the center stand and on the ground, and the rear tires are about 3 to 4 inches above the ground. Loosen and remove the rear axle. Remove the washer. Gently tap the axle from the right hand side while holding the rear wheel. Ensure the rear brake pads are not disturbed and place a cardboard or a wooden piece in between the brake pads in the caliper. Remove the hub spacer on the right hand side. Remove the axle from the right hand side and be extra careful to ensure that the sprocket spacer on the left hand side does not fall off. Slide out the rear wheel from the swing arm. Remove the sprocket on the left hand side. Replacement. rear wheel assembly. Ensure the cush rubber is correctly located in the rear wheel hubs. Insert the wheel assembly into the swing arms and locate the sprocket lugs correctly. Locate the wheel axle in the rear wheel hub. Position the spacer for the right hand side. Remove the wooden piece of cardboard between the brake pads. And locate the caliper bracket slot on the lug on the swing arm so that the brake disc is between the brake pads. Ensure the mounting axle hole in the swing arm, wheel hubs and caliper bracket are aligned. Do not apply force on the spindle as it can damage the spindle threaded area. Ensure the vehicle is on the center stand and on ground level, and the wheels are at least 3 to 4 inches above the ground level. Hold the spindle while loosening the rear axle nut. Push the wheel inside. Ensure that the chain slackness is maintained at 20 to 25 millimeters by using a scale. Ensure the reference line on the chain adjuster are matching with the same reference to the swing arms on both left and right hand sides. Lock the lock nuts against the adjuster nuts and the chain adjuster on left and right hand side by the 10 millimeters open end spanner. Tighten the wheel axle nut.